Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are good, happy and healthy. Welcome to our online class. Dear students, as you know, I'm your English teacher, Ma'am Aksa. Students, in our previous lecture, we learned words and their synonyms. Now we are going to continue our English lesson part 2, word sentences. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the given words in simple and meaningful sentence. So, let's start. Our first word is tall. Tall. Tall means high, lamba. Its sentence is the boy is very tall. The boy is very tall. Now comes to the next word, peaceful. Peaceful. Peaceful means calm, pursukoon. The boy is sleeping peacefully. Now comes to the next word, huge. Meaning big, बहुत बड़ा. Sentence, the elephant is a huge animal. The next word is wild. Wild. Wild means untamed. Untamed. The tiger is a wild animal. Repeat with me. The tiger is a wild animal. Now comes to the next word, strips. Meaning colored line, मतलब रंगदार धारियाँ. Sentence, the zebra has strips. The zebra has strips. The next word is live. Live मतलब stay. We live in a house. Word था live meaning stay, and sentence is we live in a house. Students, today we learned 6 words and used each word in a meaningful sentence. Now it's your turn to write, read and learn these sentences. Keep practicing, keep learning, stay happy and Allah Hafiz.